I don't know where you're working right now, but the truth is that so many people work in a place where they're not appreciated. You're working for a boss that doesn't care. You're working with a bunch of coworkers that don't seem to care. And you want to make a difference. We're here at Ash Industries, and we make things. We injection mold all sorts of parts for all sorts of people. We're looking for coworkers who can do a good job, who want to do a good job. We're looking for people who want to make a difference. We're looking for people who are tired of being bored and want a shot because they feel like they haven't been given a chance.
Really, we got people from all different backgrounds that work here right now.
Tell me why you decided to come here.
I actually came here through a temp service, and I was going in and out of jobs. But when I got here, my supervisor seen something in me that other people didn't see in me. If you're looking for a great opportunity, some place to work at, Ash Industries is the place.
Maybe you haven't been given a shot. Maybe you're looking for a chance to start over.
Come join our team.
If you're tired of the job you're working now and you're wanting to start in a new field, you should come try manufacturing.
Doesn't matter where you're from, doesn't matter what your past is, let's talk. This is a different type of place.
We want you to join our team here at Ash Industries. Doesn't matter what you know, we want your passion and your work ethic.
We need you. We really need you, because without good people, this fantastic place can't operate. Come talk to us. Let's find out what we have in common.